Yes, it is pancakes time. Hey everyone, so today we are making the Japanese cabbage pancake okonomiyaki. Hard to say, but actually super easy to make. Usually it has cabbage, it has a ton of seafood, which we are just going to be substituting for a lot of different mushrooms today. And man, did this come out good. It gets finished off with like a nice kind of tangy barbecue sauce, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of seaweed, and some shallots. It is all super good stuff. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So okonomiyaki is typically topped with bacon. I'm going to substitute that with about 12 fresh shiitake mushrooms that I've marinated with a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and then a little bit of salt. Now I'm mixing together some all-purpose flour, baking powder, potato starch, and then a little bit of salt. And then to that, I'm adding close to 1 cup of mushroom stock. And the key to getting rid of lumps is to just add the liquid in a little bit at a time, and then finish thinning out the batter. So time to add all of the yummy fillings. So I have about a half a cup of scallions, a quarter cup of oyster mushrooms, a little bit of panko to add some nice crunch in, as well as some dried or fried shallots, which add a really nice flavor as well. 2 tablespoons of pickled ginger, and I mix all of that together before I add in the cabbage. So over medium to medium-high heat, you want about 3 tablespoons of oil in there because this has a tendency to stick, and then pour half of the batter in. Now this is one of those where you have to shape it while it's on the skillet, because otherwise it just kind of looks a little bit funny. So press down to make sure that the bottoms of the cabbage hit the bottom of the pan, and then just fry that for 2 to 3 minutes. So after a few minutes, you want to add the shiitake mushrooms and be very firm and press them in, otherwise they kind of want to escape when you flip them over. Now, I didn't show this, but if you are out of oil, be sure to kind of add a little bit more oil on the bottom because the shiitake mushrooms have a tendency to stick as well. So kind of like 3 to 4 minutes on this side and just kind of peek through to make sure that nothing is burning. So not everybody has the okonomiyaki sauce, but I think everybody has hoisin sauce or some of this Peking duck sauce. They are a little bit more sweet than I'd say the okonomiyaki sauce. So what I did was I took some of the hoisin sauce and I added a little bit of apple cider vinegar to it, and the taste was definitely on point. So afterwards, kind of very liberally spread it on top of the pancake. I've been wanting to use this squirt bottle for the longest time, so I kind of diluted some vegan mayonnaise with some water. It was a little runnier than I wanted it to be, but it came out of the spout well enough. So you can just substitute that for, I don't know, mayonnaise in a bottle or something. And this is what my local okonomiyaki person does to hers. Like, she does the up and down squiggle pattern, but you definitely don't need to do that. And then afterwards, I just top it off with some dried or fried shallot, which mimics the bonito flakes, and then just a little bit of seaweed right on top. I'd say the sauces and the condiments and actually the mushrooms inside really make this pancake. Like, it's nice and meaty and savory and just really gorgeous looking. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this okonomiyaki pancake recipe. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!